GH on se me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomode na behwe too much GH behwe na subscribe bomode o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ne hwe too much GH mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire
em say amanfo mbe so mo ka se we disappoint Mahama I said unketia NDC amanyoko general secretary we disappoint Mahama pa sa so na Sami Jamfi omo disappoint Mahama pa ye because e ka Mahama abo no dey contest the elections no o mama Mahama aboka bebiri na nimguase ya Mahama agi nyina no me na mo so na Mahama agi they say we are bia the whole world Mahama the reputation ekuta no say former president say oto abamre bi 2016 or hand it over successfully edema another administration afi international uko wiase bia na omutime to nsafre no na akoye election observer e wo countries bi mu Africa ha no you say Mahama na nimu nyam nyina wona manone no aye bibia wo sese ni nyina asai ni nyina se din kwatia Sami Jamfi o Madam Roma na Kevin Taylor eni omo maka omo na ama sese Mahama wiase bia na nimu gu ase no eni wo na America ha bia mu former president ipa say no tie na nim innocent pa say no tie Mahama se woni ma de amanfo kafa ho abrochire no amanfo say da bi no munim se pa na wotie se amanfo kafa ho no in fact se woti bia areho ba as a politics no wonte na nkopentie asedu katia ne Sami Jamfi ni o maka mutwa nkontompo kirew na waye former president da we mampanyini kase a watena Ghana konya so da enti ade ekosi ewom sa wo pepa wade na enti wa nkasa wotena abonte na utie wono ye nko a hyedem ana wo je se utie news na wo hwede ekoso a sen na usofele Mahama sen pa na uhu esi yawo de ekosi eyade a awereko ewo man Ghana man enhia bi se da ebinsi wiase da ewo man Ghana yese Mahama na akofa sase mo yaba na say din we yade we akofa ba Ghana udin pepa da ewo Ghana book bie mebewom se Mahama na Ghana foto aba eyi omampanyini na adodan kwakufu ado Mahama o mama fotigu abonten ekoye didi sese niema ebere so a onkuta evidence na wa hwese yenim se akora edi allegation to obi so a yegusa ne se asema wo ke wadansidie ewo hen die be ne adansidie mo a mo hwe me obi a nhye mi ahye sesia because enema me de ba sesi no ano eden nti mi ahye na unua enya bi nhwe wo nko a enhwe jumade mo hwe live ewo YouTube the announcer newspaper so and Facebook the announcer newspaper so Babs Cook to say abna apia K was to say mama Johnny me nyina ma fia sikapa me aba to say mama Dansoa Nelson Rich Rahel ya me chia mama mu nyina kwa me Jackson me chia wo New Jersey I'm share me live for YouTube and I'm also on Facebook I'm share me nyina so no me chia mu nyina jumade mo share live ewo Facebook Charlie Che Evelyn Sugar mo so mu nyina wo Facebook bana hene Thomas said saying Owusu Tenasapon na nan cancer Michelle Emmanuel Moore Michelle baby obia wo UK Emmanuel Moore George Obeng Ernestina Owusu Mensa or UK Vivian Benne munyina mo so mo share me live Facebook eti jumadi mo share live for Facebook the announcer newspaper so and a YouTube the announcer newspaper so bomode ne share So won share ya me a share this here. I feel so bombarding na feel like page no and subscribe. So be buy ya no obinya nsema e kwaso e wo Ghana na wo so wetibi. Former President John Dramani Mahama na nima guase. Inti wo pen so a yakoto abawie na amanfo hyehyehye edwa. Ye de enimo sa accidentally eno aneba ba yenim se text messages bi a enama bonten anase messages bi enama bonten no e kire se ebeye se nipa bonifo bi na eye saade no ba ye de enim ye de proof bi asa na utie enura de si e wo kaneshi edwanum a eja no eja tososa efa eja no eshase eshi edwa no market kaneshi market nda eja esodam na no ye hu kantamanto de ebiesi wakoforidia ebiesi wo ba bia wodo bebre e wo Ghana na text message bia ene nama bonten a nei ebi ababedru di announcer newspaper ho wo sha telephone numbers e wo so ene security force mutia at least sa telephone numbers na e wo so no mo betimi atrake na afei de mpese mo hu bia no mo hu afa ho wo sha o matro no se NDC grassroots our telephone numbers bibia na wo ho no also we have to do is to start burning filling stations, municipal assemblies, toll booths, market sites, and some many areas. When we put fire on that area, they will see that we are serious. So I don't know. At the same time, also the NDC will not go to court. Maybe also the NDC will not go to court for this idiot people to fool. I promise you all that with this case something. Do we have a court in ECOWAS? Ebinomno ntimoshe security for mosha. Telephone numbers no na waso no. Mam telephone numbers no. America nyina telephone number waso. Group no omono no. Obna no mu discuss sa na man. Enenti yehu se omatro am yehu se omo pese omo hye filling stations, municipal assemblies, and a toll booth, any market size, and so many areas. Sa no makam and so many areas. Enti Ghana police for any mo share bambo adwuma ho so no. At least message na mabontin ni e ba ya che amanfo e de na mabontin dadaada. And be say be drew the announcer newspaper into almost the NDC grassroots telephone numbers na wo no esima mo kan ye no suma ho almost the filling stations, municipal assemblies, toll booth, market sites, and so many areas. Also some put fire in those areas. Also when we put fire on that areas, they will see that we are serious. Inti adofonom adia nipa bonifuo bi a wo moye e wo man Ghana mu no ebi no no ni nyina ya Mahama pen so e na Ghana for witnesses a na we Mahama ko contest elections e na Ghana for witnesses a na matantan we ya e koso wo man Ghana mu na ka sa adwini we kwara de e ye den ne ba manfo tirim wo Ghana sa adwini we e ye den ne ba manfo tirim wo Ghana. So contest elections. Ulusu a waji atum se malusu. De wani mu na doso. Obi anim chirasem. Ba wako contest elections. Walusu if it's electoral commission, wo mo hwa abato so no. Obo se walusu. Abato no electoral commission wantina ne dem na bobo aba no. Electoral commission aba no. Mo akasa mo polling station hwa mo kogina ho. E ma o mo count aba no. More na mosensan ye na mode koma electoral commission. Ena electoral commission of share so na oboboye. Baby ebeko bia so NDC representative wo. And you call electoral commission or mo website pin sheets bebre e wo ho. As a pin sheets mo betimi akọhwe. Se electoral commission wo mutwa nkontompo anase ye nokware ane nkontompo na wo mutwa. ni nyina mo nya madwene se mo kope ahwe na de ya me nwanwa ne se NDC fo a mo so ma we ne elections de ba de ne di adanse se ma we ne de ba de pa na mo betimi da kire Ghana man se ma we ne elections na no Sammy Gyamfi ebegina o my Ghana anim nsem trofo anim ona ye NDC communications director asema o ka kire nsem trofo ene se obo modern e de form bi e ma wo mo se ba akomra so ho na o mehwe form so kra o de am mo NDC na omo stamp boso NDC for a flag e boso o assume o person creating impression say pin sheet and our the air mom. Just imagine I don't know afi nipa yi e concentrate ni ko ya asama Sammy Gyamfi kan say tra SDA nipa e wo ho mo voters register me also mo to aban per record sekuto mo pin sheet sekuto mo aya Ghana or just the same pin sheets na one PP for the same pin sheets na wo bia ho no e kire say nipa 49 na omo a register asema Sammy Gyamfi editor dwa no enti nipa 49 a register e yeden na yekoto aba etimi ekoye 647 enti asema Sammy Gyamfi ebusaye eno no ebe yeden na ekoye 647 meanwhile adofo no NDC representative or contested parliamentary elections no ono nko akura nya 159 enti eno kura no e kire pefi se monsema mokoye nse mo akasa no se muni makenkan o se muni mathematics o muni bibia I don't know obi an share video msisi ya ma onua enhwe bi na mebebo tape bi sisi ya sa tape na mebebo no eye Sammy Gyamfi press conference awoyeye the who tape na mebebo enti montama sudin na muntie press conference awoyeye na afi binim se ya mahama ya na otie bio so ntie bio se ya na wadawo se se yo yentimi hu denti moa mu kum ho anim asechire wiase man mo se mo man echire wiase no se eye mo akasa mo kum ho anim asese wiase ba bia obiye hu se mahama wo ye titire ni je se titira se mo nko na mo ye je se mo de onamba bia na obiye ka Ghana ye o man a e ya asomdwie se ena nipa ba ko se wo se wo man ni din se how mahama hwe adofonom obia ntie asema Sammy Gyamfi wo de atudwa na Ghana man monhye no so okasa boldly se owo evidence and okasa ye na mewia me de adebi akire musisi a muntie Sammy Gyamfi.
So journalists, the police station, the Sudan West police station results on the screen. SDA, no, the pink sheet first. SDA Primary School, trial 1, is here. SDA Primary School. Can I get any media man to volunteer and come here to help me? I just want somebody to confirm, because the writings are a bit faint and your cameras may not be able to capture it. Anybody at all, media man. So you do this. So the name of this police station is SDA Primary School, Trial 1. Now, how many people voted? In fact, what was the number of ballots issued to voters on the police station register? That is C1. 368 ballots issued. Now, total vote cast 366. So ballots issued 568, vote cast 566. SDA Primary School Trial 1. But how many people are on the register at this police station? Ladies and gentlemen, I have your register here. 49. 49. So you can confirm what I said is which big organization? Next TV. Okay. So you can confirm that.
Anafonum Sami Jemfi ena di two dwom. Was a register bi na one MPP obi na one DC obi na wo bia ho. Was a nya adagya free media station. Say omra na ome confirm. Was nipa 39 ena omo a register ewo ho. Nipa 49 omo register. Na omo koto aba no so no. Nipa koto aba no eye 468. Enti ekire se den na nipa 49 akọ register. Na omo koto aba na ekọ 468. Mahama enti wa hwe onkrofo ewo ho eji sa nyame na semsi da wo hwe omo na mo ye sa niema we ntim timo dogana adafonom okọ chira ezi na okan ye omo abato no mokoto ye no omo pin sheet no eni pin sheet ni eni pin sheet ni eni na pin sheet no nipa wo mo ewo so MPP ni abato on parliamentary elections no nipa wo register ye na wo ntimi issue ballot papers mo mokoto aban eye 467 no NDC MPP ni wo ho enya 202 NDC nya 159 ena nipa ba ko so oduro techi se independent ono so nya 10 okani nyina boma omukeka ni nyina bomu no de omu enyaye ena omu san ye obia san ye ewa no musa twero no figures so omu twero no bibia so wo ho at the same time signature obia san ye MPP muhwedi na MPP ni MPP NDC obia signature so a osan ye eni obia sign agiatum pin sheet no eno no we na Sami Jemfi se omo wo evidence ebe ka kire Ghana man se abatro no electoral commission awiem e de ama MPP evidence omo wo no so omo pin sheet ni a different pin sheet from the Ghana ban ewo the electoral commission wo no so we don't know na wa hwe se pin sheet ye different from the electoral the NDC for working na NDC for mo ankasa na mo ye mo pin sheets anasa mo ye den ena munya asa pin sheets we kura edi betwa nkontompo kire Ghana man mo nipa wo sa amantem ho contest parliamentary elections onya 159 votes MPP ninya 202 votes okani nyina bom kura esen independent yeso onya ye owie ya o say krom ho ni nyina no nipa mo register 49 na yeden na mo nipa enya 159 na yeden no aso sign ye say eye no kware police station omo so na Nigeria police station adenti no man question electoral officer ne say there be nipa e wo ha no nuru 159 na menya ye no nti on sign adenti na one question we no butum futuro di go Ghana fo ani na me nwa say amanfo hu de wo mo ye na NDC fo mo da so di o machi and no create confusion wo Ghana omo ye demonstration unnecessary demonstrations disturb amanfo peace block traffic hye ties di yare e kwa amanfo enye ya Ashanti region omo say demonstration bi wo bi okoko dia omo ye bi wo bi eji Ashanti region ade a omo say akọ ene no omo ye demonstration na no eno mbo police fo amani o say e course smooth kama avedu ba bi obi akofa tie be shitai e wo no mse da bi police boss and dey omonti ase nti o ma ho kwan amasa ade na anya den ankoso de bi kakra bi ba ma nipa ba ako wo mo eche no but say no Ashanti region demonstration no ko na peaceful bi anjeda ansi as a result of the course no ba yan hwe NDC eniema ye kan musemu wo evidence nti sa musemu wo evidence ye den na mo wo evidence na mo ntimi fa nkyere Ghana man enti mo amon kan krese yakoto aba walusu fa de kire sa wosi wa na fo hu wosi memfa ma nenso ba we ni atitira sem say what be that ana mahama fi say akonya ne ono ne dia ne family je so ono ane dia ne dana na so na de opebia na otimede ye Ghana fo ajapade ene esetena Ghana so ne bu oman watena se wabu awie wakotena se omato aba omato atiawo Ghana man ato atiawo wo se mente ase na ma we ni wa we ni so de kire se wo so wa we ni so fabra ebi na mo ye na samejamfi demonstrating is esi ya him kontompo yi enti we kire se as NDC for na mo akasa mo ye mo pensions enti ayam mo mo say electoral commission wetima beat mo sa enti na o ma time electoral commission na time na wonti ase because senka enye bibia adenti no mani abre electoral commission so sa manya ntie se sika bi omokode jefiri ba bi omode ye campaign asem ketwa ama yes Chinese fo ne Turkey fo mani abre jomade wo mo ni omokokan sika bi omoji omusika ebinum IT fo ebinum de omo so ba mo galamse ni nyina na ye nyewa ayate ba de wo mini se mahama wo interest no eni so wo kire se wo interest no ebetimi affect o my Ghana nyina obeto Ghana obeto o my Ghana your property who be lucky who be the president you respect sir but what con elections no lose wa untimi nya kaka bensem ne titirasem emfa nimguase emre wo man sir okọ emrahye ni be callers or defense committee of parliament na some de atudwane so say mahama omo enche no o say police bonchi mahama with immediate effect because niema ekoso no mahama ene nam no so asa ni matantan ni nyina ekoso wo Ghana na ka wa first electoral commission conduct elections akoyi wo mampanyini awie a gazette awie na masa ma manfo mumusa se so musi NDC for mpanifo so munim hu bia before bin ba akoy demonstration just so fit you anom de omope akoy demonstration omo notify mo tunu ya awai enti yen hwe se omo call electoral commission ho omo ko na binum the speakers as NDC pickups and omo de ko na be busa se NDC mo property na speakers esim no enti mo nem hu bia obi betim de ayesa ade no omo range ni nyina kama anko mo ye demonstration omo kasa kira amanfo abobo nipa no na busa won se ekwan ben na omo fa so bobo nipa na no omo from telephone so ana se omo send omo audio message ana omo send omo voice message ana omo send de ben kwan ben na omo timi fa bo nipa ni nyina no de omo call electoral commission we che se omo adwen boni na omo ye niema bia e wo se Ghana mpanifo omo messages omo send nyina mo sha ase na mo track omo messages nyina wo mo phone contacts bia de wo bia no mo sha ase na mo hwe eniema wo mo eye because omo ye niema emfata e wo my Ghana mu NDC fo ye niema emfata e wo o my Ghana mu arego sem ne se enne ebinum da soro ye na wo mo ekọ mu fie a wo anaso mo ko dwuma omo ko ya esikaneshi edwa no ehye Onyankopon adom ena wo mo etimi edum no na wa hwe se ye busa wo kaneshi dwa eye den ena bibisa ekoso according to obabia ono akasa oton niema ewo ho according to sa oba no wo se ba bi omo wo no electrical fault bi ani ho a ebetimi aba because omo expecters ne ba be hwe na bire nyina be se obi anya illegal connection bia ewo ho enti electrical problem de omo ni bi ewo ho enti ye ne nwanwa se eja etimi to ho connection market o se eye ne nwanwa se eja etimi to ho na wo ho na ye da sorry na ye nhwe se wada sorry na ukoya eja ene da market connection market eja ene da ho yi ba hu se ne ba pese mo hwe ni ye eja ne da ho yi oh connection market o na eja ena eda ho yi enti busa ho se hefo na edi sa bone ne wo Ghana hefo na omo ye sa niema no e wo Ghana o my Ghana mu nipa bone fo ben ena omu tu sa asa no e wo my Ghana de ekoso no adofo no e ya ade a o nchen a onte niema e ekoso no ase na won me the message bi akyerɛ mo me san e de akyerɛ mo biem me the message bi akyerɛ mo me sign e de akyerɛ mo biem mo hwɛ message we ya ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a ɔmo so ɔmo yɛ NDC grassroots for AD nti obiara hwɛ nkɔmɔ a na ɔmo di eba nkɔmɔ a na ɔmo di no obiara hwɛ nkɔmɔ a na ɔmo AD nkɔmɔ ni nie o nkɔmɔ a na ɔmo AD no sɛ ɔmo ebe hyehyɛ nneɛma ɔmo bɛ sɛe nneɛma ɛwɔ man Ghana mu NDC for ɔmo telephone numbers nyinaa wɔ so ti Ghana mpanyinfoɔ ɛdi kan aka sɛ mahu a immediately na no monko na monko kye ɔmo na at least telephone numbers deɛ mo betumi atrake ehu ɔmo a ɔmo telephone number ɛno no na afei kye bia mmerɛ bia wɔ sɛ mo de ɔmo di no mama mmerɛ no ɛne ɔmo di ɔmo ntimi fatumi ɛnhyɛ mo nsa ɛnyɛ nneɛma bi pɔtɔɔ wɔ man Ghana mu a kyerɛ sɛ mo dɔ mo man a mo nyɛ saa deɛ no NDC amanyɔkuo sɛsi a me ne ɔkasa yi ade a ɛkɔ so no obi say I have an audio for you that is Fred. Someone sent it to me on 16th about Kaneshi Market and it has happened today. I sent it to you. Okay, my main place audio no. Or say obabi a send the message abre me on Facebook. Na o say onya audio bi obi send the brand about Kaneshi Market. Na etimi happen. Enti o say wa send the abre me bebo me nya ho hwe me bebo audio no. Na Ghana fo mu nyina matie audio no mu nsem. Na o say obi na send the brand no nipa the brand no 16th. Enti ye nyina bebo na yatie me montie yesia no de brand me. Enti me pese ye bo na yatie content na ewo mu no. Na Ghana man obi ehu de ekoso.
Hello, Mr. Good afternoon. Mpacho, what is say? Uni ukunu wamba. Kisa ya nyaga mwili, yansu ya mwili. Mwenebi ya si ya mwili. Na nkomoka kama pesa mini udi. Mwen pesa meye abatu platform nso. Nta meye ama backdoor no. Kanta manto nasi ni yena idi mwebubu. Na Wendy si papa penye bi. Mfano wa bako enfreme. Ndo na wazana number. Timi mom ni number nkasa o use na me yemsisi me. Ewe na ofreme no the week. Mo wi ni na msia. Nti mo ni beti wo man mo na msia agentia. Osisi woni mo bi oto wade o Kaneshi Market a. Kacha me so opon fa nisika. Enya me hia fa nko. Na mo mekufu adu ye peace. Ewo man mu fembu Ghana man. Komasi ko fodi asikanta manto. Mo ba Kaneshi. Medum o metwe jato Kaneshi Market ni. Just am Israel. Pa o cho ni die mu. Yo do to platform so bibi an hu ni po Kaneshi Market mo ton to mo oton den yo. O make sure sa di bi ehia ni biara no. Ba fa na kakra akọ. Menim da kro men sa de no kanta man to da so de ye ne hu se we yes no ti mesro me pese me na me yes a wodi wi itam de fa usu bo modia na platform me so ye de ya ma no enum ye na ndi ho no ma e bia mo di do Kaneshi kanta man to de man ho hwe ti mesro ni se no se kasafa wati asembi say ntino so mu bia ma me mu duo platform so mu nipa eye bi wakanta na Kaneshi so ho no mo a atdo oton bia o make sure say film e ko no nya misika anasa bibia hia no e wo so ho no opon fa misika ni bibia amrefi ndase nya misra
Adafonum message we na obi sende ede koma obi eye ose wode koma no on the 16th na adofonum message na nipa de koma no on the 16th no eno na ya boy amamatie na muni ma won wasembe we wasende koma obi o se ono so ntu ne nkorofofo na omunyi omuniyama mfiri Carnation Market na obi ewa ndisi mu frɛ no na onfa number baako emfrɛ no or the numbers bebre na frɛ na friend the number we na ochina no asa no the number we ade che no afrɛ no the number we into the frɛ no eka kyerɛ no se onim because onim no enti oba no enka kyerɛ ne nkrofo bia no munyi omuniyama mfiri Carnation Market adofo no enfom so oba yi so oyeye ne se enka wunya audio we no so we citizen we obi a wodo mine ka immediately so the Ghana security forces a police for security agencies na osen ka de mo immediately no mo sha ase eba won chen no mo track nipa of fraud different number no efre no ansana Carnation problem ni nyina akra no esi na wa just imagine say when your message we oti o man Ghana mu when to mikra anko police station anko bo police for amane na obi a wonim no mom na wo send ya man say on kanche ne nkrofo no munyi yom ne ma emfiri wo ampa so asi say ye audio we mu nsem ne CEO say bibi ne kofa ba ye CEO asi ba bi obodin specifically Carnation Market say ija ebeto ho no asi mom ye hwe ne ma ye kakra na de ekoso wo man Ghana mu no Owura Mahama udin ensesem firi Ghana nsemuta na eyade a ebeda udin so saa every day said namoso ena saa problems we nyina ekoso wo Ghana said be nyon kwa no contest elections ena nyon kwa no lose elections na do lose elections no tiase ka kire ne nkrofo se obi amiara no aden na apese wo say wo man Ghana aden na apese wo say Ghana animonyam ne Ghana nhira e say hwew we ya ekoso say fa ho say mfa ho obi a hyase de omon say point say ndisi for na mo yes ade as obi any proof say allegedly ne binum e kasa asem e bi ananya mo but mo ne ya mo demonstrate say ni ntino ama bebre ya hyase accuse mu say bi abo na mo yes ade so na bi so ana enya mo na how say wo say mo hwe mo tenase na wonim democracy wa be ye president of Ghana da wonim de wo say wo ye na wo hwe na wo man a wo so do no pese obedi o man so no wo say wo man no electoral commission mo ko ye dede wo hoyi unauthorized demonstration mo ko ye no Mahama ene ne nkrofo na Ntiko police station say omo ko akoma omo bail Mahama one ne nkrofo ko police station ho say omo ko akoma omo a omo ko ye titirasem e wo electoral commission aso ye omo ko say niema e wo electoral commission aso ye omo ko say omo ko akoye boni akese wo no Mahama etu ne car e di petrol gumu Eko Central Police Station Accra eko akọ bailion na wa hwe oman panyini na wotifie na nipa ye niema ofie basa na wo support na wo di akire na wo boa omo na wo encourage omo a na ope oman nkanko na ope so oman no ekoyie na de me den se Ghana fo ehu de oye titire ni anase opetitire asem e wo oman Ghana mu Mahama hwe na nanim innocent na sorry a okọ Assemblies of God enti osofo no Mahama ba betena sorry dem a usuro na na asesese e wo so tu Mahama sen e wa sorry dem ho tu ni sen ne ye nya sa na Yakobon esi onya adwuma e wo se enei Assemblies of God sorry se wo se Yakobon adwuma na mo ya ampa na Ghana enkra Yakobon adwuma na mo ya e wo se Mahama mutu ni sen e wa sorry nya asori principle na o demonstrate kire Ghana man because oko asori a Yakobon kire wo de ye sabe obi anka se obi asisi wa eye wo de eye be obi de se obi asisi obi ani wa opa asisi e wo wiase it is asem ya koso na eye asisi a we are not supporting that but ade ani se wo na wo claim se wo yesisiru wo na wo kire se obi asisiru ade edi adanse se obi asisiru so a wo se wo mfa ma enka fa bra na wiase nyina no obi ahu se ade we on se ndisi fo omo boni nti oba platform so atemdidi o oni nyansa bia nipa na omo ba platform so be kire o madwene no omo nim nyansa se asema ye ka no omo so be kire o madwene se oba atemdidi me hu se wa ba platform ni bia so na wudi atem hu ya immediately ma block unya so ma biem fa go tena page ne kodi watem wo page ana fa ko mo ndc mo page wona kodi makodi kodi di atem wo page mba ne ade announce newspaper haye omo ha no eye nimdifo nipa titirofo ene tie newspaper announcer program enti munkurasefo na mo ba mo bedi atem no enye mo enti ne wa ha enti ehu sa wo bedi obi atem and immediately na me blocko jumade mo share live e wo YouTube the announcer newspaper so na ko Facebook so a the announcer newspaper so betimi a share obetimi a like page no na betimi a subscribe so be ye badia na ense me koso Ghana bia no obenya bi ahwe na wo so wo hu de e koso enti mo de madwene no em se minim de ewom mo hu de e koso na mo amutimi ntum hofo no a mo ba na ye ka ho asema obedi atem wo ba ya na block mo na makom nkurasefo na omo sori omo pento kwantokwa te se Kevin Taylor ne abonefo asuma hye omutirimu ma no a wotiga Jimmy na otia brochire Jimmy na makono ho na makotie ni program eno na mo pa Jimmy program na wo ye kire mo no se mo ko se mo man no na ono ti America ono ti America mo kwa onkobi no akatem se mo nkonko ye saade na mo di akire kikikiki na jebe Jimmy no enti wa akasa wontena se nwene ehu se o man na wo se no nipa na wo tufu se ko se o man no se nipa na ti abrochire arego papa na mudi akire apatehia bi benum ti na makoche kakra no na udi akire kikikiki enti ohun adofo no de ekoso no NDC amanyokuo no obi a kiusu sem na mo ye ba mo ne ya mo ye no ema amanfo adwenum ye mo amanfo adwenum ntene mo ewo ne ma bi ho me de text messages bi kire mo sa text message no muhu telephone number ewo so omo telephone numbers ewo so nyina no me de kire mo enti Ghana mpanifo menim se muhu telephone numbers no a ewo so no mo ade potia ensem potia sa enkrofo no na omo eka enti se hu ana mo paaye telephone number the address o call internet companies no ha providers no ombetimi attract e de amount telephone numbers no na ewo so no NDC gurus omo se de we will train us sound about mo de mahu medical de kire mo hu ye enti obi amfa ento ne tirimu saa de na omo eye no omo asai wo man no muguso sai wo man no ba menga kire mo na nado onye meresa ena Ghana security for omo nya meresa asumdue ena obi epe enti asumdue no ena ama monya opportunity eye saa ne ma no yenhwe adofo message na eba ye nbiem no obi ne forward koma obi na nipa no se ne saka on the 16th of this month na so ma planning in advance de omokoye na muntie message no munsemu biem na Africa na security for muntu ho anamon paaye saa oba no de wo bia muntu ho anamon
mpacho what is saying unu kuno woma
muntie biem
good afternoon mpacho what is saying unu kuno woma kisa ya nyago na so na maybe I see how na nkomo kakra no pesa me wudi me pesa me ye abatu platform so enta me ya mo back door no kanta manto na asini na yidi mo bubu na when this papa penny bi on fa na ba ko en frame ndo no mo e frame ya abeti na wazana number ti me ntumi mo the number kasa
so ati o se NDC ni panyini bi o the number friend ende e kina no wasesa the number wa panyini dia o kasai o sende koma nipa owo Germany o ka kire nse o ka mu nse ma kire nse the NDC for panyini bi afre na ka kire no eno no dia o Germany ni de se Ghana mpanifo se mu tie me a security for mu tie me a meti mamba wa contact the o Germany no ono so beti maboa mo ama ma contact the o Ghana no na afi anamon bia wo se mutu bia na matu afa ho me sisu biem Ghana security for se mu tie me a meti maboa ma contact the o Germany no na Germany ni no so betimi aboa mo ama mahu di owo Ghana no na afi di owo Ghana no etimi akyere mo di odi message no ebre no ntie biem.
Good afternoon. What is it? When you could know ma. Please I am not going to know. So you maybe I see you. Na nkomo kakra no person me wudi. No person na about two platform so. Internet me ya mo back door no. Antamanto na asime na yidi ho bubu. Na when this papa penny bi. On fa no baako enfrɛ me. Ndo no mo efrɛ me a abetina wa send number. Ti me ntumi mom. The number nkasa o use. Na me yemsisi me. Ewie na ofrɛ me. No the week. Mo wi ni na me se an. Nti mo ne beti wo man mo na me se adentia. Ɔsɛ sɛ wonu mo bi ɔtɔ wade o kanesi market a. Kata me sɛ ɔpon fa sika. Enya me hia fa nkɔ. Na mo mekufo adu nye peace. Ewo man mu fembu kana man. Komasi kufo dia sikanta bantu. Omo ba kanesi. Maybe ometri ja to kanesi market no. Just am srel. Pa ucho woni die mu. Yo do to platform so bibi an hu nipo kanesi market mo tonto mo oton denyo. O make sure sa de bi ehia ni biara no. Ba fa kakra akọ. Menim da kro man sa de no. Kanta man to da so ye ni hu se wo yes no. Ti mesrel. Men person me na me yes a wo jowi. Itam de fa so bo modina platform is where they are yema no enim ye nyame ndi ho no ma e bia mo di do kanesi can't want to dear man wo hwe ti mesrel ni se no se kasafa wati asem bi sai ntino so mu bia ma me mundu o platform so mu nipa eye bi wakanta kanesi so ho no mo a atdo otombia o make sure say fi me ko no nya musika anasa bibia hiano e so ho no opon fa sika me bibia amrefi ni da sin ni sra
Adofo no so mate we obi sende koma obi on the 16th the date yesen na esi enti funso mo ye ni say na wo sen komunya na mbo police fo amane immediately na police fo no ahu de e koso edigana fo mu tie mi sesi se mo hu audio si bi picture bi ne messages bi mo gidi se ebi no mo discuss ne ma bi na emmoa o my Ghana bo mo dey send the breme kwan bi a mefa so ma security for no nsa aka bia no me mo nsa aka e wo Ghana se mo hu se obi hihye ne ma boni bia wo Ghana e po boni bia o mo bo e wo Ghana se telephone messages bia amanfo bi send ya wonim se audio bia amanfo bi share wo platform bia wonim no send the breme ana se ko police station bia ben wo na ko police fo amane e wo Ghana bo mo de ne ko police station bia ben wo Ghana menye ni se police fo no be yiwa ma se wo na abekan ye wo ko police station wa busa se o person ni police panyini na kasa na wo nkomo bia person ni panyini be eka bo mo de ne hu panyini na kasa ana de be chiachiri ana mpanifo wo na fatu panyini nanim ade a wo hu de wate sebe do so wo MPPO ma wo man hu hiam mo nwene NDC mpanifo no o mo wefe because onu nya sika na wo no nya wo no mo di sika ebrew ade e koso wo Ghana e ya ade a ka Ghana ya sumdwe man ye hu bone sem bia wo Ghana e bi mas dada abakoso we fahin de free sa ade ye koso wo man Ghana e fahin de free ni nyina no e ya ade a areho se o maame e bia maame wo stores bi wo ho o papa wo stores bi o makobo bosia e no mo de abie edwai a o mo da ache o mo de ton niema de ahwe o mabusua e wo fi sabe odaya a obetina eja no edadam edwa no na eja edam sabe obi a obeti obi collapse eye baako obi a obenya ho akoma yare so kra ye mienu obi a sabe obesu anadwo na abra de chese ontimi nya hwe kra ye miensa na ka me pese de aka we nyina ya ade a e wo se Ghana man obi a bomoden na ohun se ade a ede o haw ede amane hunu bebere wo no ana edi ama ne hunu bi beba no bo modern ni ya police for asutire so on pese usuro se bia beko ana bibi se oni question bia audio na on saka ni bibi a on saka text message a on saka no bo modern ne forward breme ba bia wo bia me so me bo modern ma security for wo Ghana nsaka na anamon bi oboso mutu no omatu afa ho ye nhwe se ade we beko so Ghana na nipa bonifo bia wo no man no on pese o man ni sei no omo nkoso na wo nse wo man no debi ye nhwe sa ade no nti anamon bia ye betu ade bia ye be ya sa ne matantan ye koso wo Ghana no entimi nkoso no ye be hwe ne ahwe se ye betu ho anamon ebisa nimonyam a wo man ni kuta no nimonyam no so uko wiase ba bia Ghana ye bo Ghana din se Ghana ya asumdwe man Ghana ya asum nti obi a hwe Ghana as example e wo ne man so na ene obetia o number bia nra me number bia obi se yes mo president dada no so onyi aba ne ntum aden bia be na opa a kire ya ba iso so ko internet so ko results na eden no so onyi ntum na de no asem no wotie nsem no kra wo ntie ase ade wo ba bia nsem trofo nei NDC fo omo pansem trofo a chew sami jamfi wa render qualify apology e dia mansem trofo se wo mu edidi yo matem na omo attack yo ensem trofo ba be cover story mutime bunsem trofo e pam mo di yo matem enka be before na koye ya nke ne ka ya asem bi e wo ho enso mutime yesa na ma we nyina edi tiansem trofo eni na mo ba be pom achew Ghana man Owura Mahama oni oman ho do na former president awo oman ho do no enye sei na abema oman aye yentwa ye nhwe emere bi etwa mu Mahama timi kugina platform so etimi ka se na nadu a otia konwa so obewu agya no former president o eno so eye campaign se wo so otimi kwaye sa campaign or platform wudi owuo na ekoye campaign na odwene nipa ho ono die na kire se wodwene nipa ho na ewo se obedi oman so adwene omode ba ne nye enema omo person be ye oman Ghana mu ne nye na ensema ekoso no enye papa enema wo mo ye no enye enema tanta ye mo hihye no enye Mahama timi ko jina platform so etimi ka se Awurade onye wicked so obema na nado asabe president bi kujina platform so na kan yo se Awurade nye wicked no obema na nado abe president bi osa ko jina platform so ka se saka wa mafias osa mafia so den achim mafia saka wafo former president ema na nado ka kire ayi Christian Council for asofo e call nchen say there be say language na nya language pa Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e ba abontin be ka kire Mahama say on pa chew na nya kasapa mo te say Mahama be ba pa chew ke say mo bia on respect you bia wo Ghana na as a former president na o respect obia say now be former president o respect you obi say na be areho na de areho ni say de ekoso no emfata de ekoso no emfata areho papa as a former president na ni ye bi say e na wo da na dia eboa on ade ekoso no sebe e ya ade a emfata ma oman entumpon na ade betumpon ade a ekoso no se wo ho na se wo se do manya enye sei ne kasa etimi ma oman etumpon na se mi bo tape bi na sa tape no me sa be bobiem ye nya nto aba e na oba bi esende bremi na sa tape no me boy na me sa be bobiem ama omo tie mi no o madwene akọ asem no so because ade a hadwen nti me sa be bobiem sa tape no na matie asem potia oba no okaye to be antena so na wontie.
Hello, Daddy Fred. It's still good morning. I can't come anywhere we afternoon. But in Rano, I think they will be saying.
Maybe sa tape no maybe bo ama mu nyina mu hwe me no ana mu amu tie me no me pese mu hu asem ni nyina na afei ne nsɛm a wɔde to dwa no mo nyinaa matie nsɛm no mede sɛ motie biem.
Good morning. Me na me feel me no chat say eye endrano. But me hu baby ewo ye papa Nana Ekufu Addo ho. Me nyo bi a me yes ade we da. Na me obi a me fere ade kakra. Aka sade we na ka wo say me call Facebook. E bia na me call Facebook live. Na me let to public na obieti. But me need that kind of person. Me nim sade any ye. But and also me no nkasa da me nti also da. I think say a year in drama who life and make this our number. That is Fred. If I would show video audio wherever bo na people phone now so say yeah papa Ekufu Addo on say more ko any debate any Biara conference Biara any opposition party for be friend say uncle people would show but say ma uncle hadie no na eye plots eye ade bia omo hwehwe papa ne seriously omo hwehwe papa ne gidi but omo no kwai so a so because me who papa no say and they say we life crapple me share me YouTube be na it so asa oko bono to na me who baby me who say Ekufu Addo ojina ho na me who very strong protection be a protective papa no and sakesi be a papa no so na me who say she who sa omo ko space no omo tare na eya omo hye no me who say ye papa Ekufu Addo she sa space atare ni bi but ono die no eye dade that space atare no omo hye no finity so ko sini nati nyina eye dade but me who no say eye MPP color na nipa me hu ni din epo dadia no eya atare na papa ni share protection no me hu edin ne to say Reverend Obusu Bempandin ebobo entare no na entare no Reverend Obusu Bempandin din na to say etwa entare no ho hia saa etwa entare no ho hia etwa entire no share the say stars be etwa papa no ho ehia na enye stable ade ne enye stable edi ne enye stable wo a wo hwe no wo na wo be arrange edi no na wo hu edi kro na me hu ewo ye papa Ekufu Addo ni tiri so no me who say ya chiro victory na victory no so any stable who ni say ya chiro to mo sa no but me who no say or mix it who ade no who now be arranging or who say no sa edi ko be stand for this a victory na me who say atare no she dade no she no me who real I say I didn't call a makeup. The me say a dinner. Dear papa, also been padini a cha at the Luciano. Me who say a coffee bit so a chai and the bar papa no more. Not a D revenue. I say, ara.
And mammy asked him or the bremi and Sakura no motuaba.
Aha, and I'm a dimension.
Okay, yada was say, oh, bebo de aka ni nyina mati aboka crab nti bebo de aka ni nyina amamo eti. Jumede mo share live. Ewo YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so Facebook, the announcer newspaper so some aye poso e wo Ghana e na ye de ebrem nto bia wo hwe me obetimi a share video no ama wunua wo hwe bi unua wonya bi hwe ye no so no wonya bi ahwe ase adun katia oye general secretary ema NDC asema wode atudwa ene se wo say House of Chiefs asema mode aba se omunya dede na omunama bonten ye no na omunko court no o say House of Chiefs fo nti o masem enti omunya fe na omunya adwuma te se bad time papa na omunya adwuma nti nasema wo kire no no o say House of Chiefs fo no wo mo entie wo mo asem adofo no de NDC fo je no eduru mmira e wo so obi a wo tie me no ubusa ho se de be no mo ye na e kire se ene demonstrations a wo mo ye wo Ghana egu Ghana ni mase omo create impression bi sa asumdue eni o my Ghana Mahama we lose elections o se wonye ntum se we lose eye wa decision obi any ho make a decision ema de ti a wonye ntum no Ghana wo mra a Mahama wako peace agreement akọ sign emra a waji atumi se wanye abana antum obi obelusu wa anya antum a baby ode be kono eye court na court decided every almost sign peace agreement no na Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana na ohobi a police for penyin ohobi soldier for penyin ohobi na adodankwa ohobi na Mahama wa kasa so ho Chief Imam na ho asante hene otumfo nkrofo penifo so ahemfo akese wo mo so ho enkran ahemfo akese ho ene mpenifo electoral commissioner ho mpenifo bi wo Ghana no titiru no na omunyina ho saa so na wo mo foreign countries and I say wo mo ambassadors ene embassy for mo de da no ebinum so ekobi diplomatics ebikobi na arewosem ne say Mahama wait me so microphone wakasa we was sign peace agreement we agreement no woni nanado etwetwe pictures ama Mahama all the pictures bi akoto page nyina wo social media akire sa ampa agreement masa agreement say dia won ti ase no omfa asem no enko court obi age atum sa asese so adenti ena Mahama wasa agreement awie na sese de waba no wabe change wa no asema wa ko sign se wo lusu a wo de asem no be court no sese de eno de kra de watwa agu ena wa ma amanfo na mabonten bi no mama egu abonten ena omo sei Ghana japade ebra wo ko police station wako se wo komo omo bail enti wo encourage omo nye na omo ya obaba bebeli omo former president of Republic of Ghana ono no enya ordinary person dia obi a wabedi oman so da a watena konwa so onim nhyehyeye wo man nim onim de wo so obi ye no ono na demonstrate sa suban we peace omukọ peace agreement no omukọ omo picture eni one na nado oso mo ho anigye mu enti busa ho se de omusi china ho a wo mo sere ecosign peace agreement na nipa a wo sere eye den na afi otimi o kasakora wo hwe bia nim biem Mahama kasa wo hwe bia nim peace council ho no te ho no wo hwe na nima na wo de te ho otim say yes na Mahama wonye na adwe so obaji bibia tum because no wo muna enya asem ketwa enso ho amanfo ana wo sere former president awabetena konwa so onim papa sa de a wo ye enye ososo wo ye sai wo man we are seman enyina di adanse ese asem bi se sia ye de court ema court di asem no ebua kire se we na di for we na di bem 2012 Mahama abesa o kire se NDC for mo kire MPP for ana 2012 abato ebede di wiaseman obia mu se mu wi abam 2012 na no aka kire ne professor omunye dede o na ono so ebetuma ye de wuye but obu emra of respected law and now you be our done mind no wa nyese o mind nse o se ne nkrofo bia antrase na on fa asem nko Supreme Court na o mo ne be decide am o my Ghana na do de ko gina Supreme Court e mo decide ye o mo decide ye no o se on de oni o mo nya adwene na nso said asumdwe beba o man mu no wagye atum o se oni omo nya adwene onye vegetable no wa ka se o se oni omo nya adwene enso wagye atum se be yo de asumdwe ebeba o man Ghana mu na wa hwe se wa hwe de course dem se de mu sitete MPP fo mo ye omo ayaya kade mo chese mo lusu ye mo kuru omo say any idiot can go to court. I'm quoting, quote unquote. I said Dunkatia. Etimi bie na no cancer asem we kire wo. Mahama ka kire wo say they know what to do. Court e wo ho wo nko. The same Mahama awo ka kire wo say they know what to do no. Ono nene or that or yes suban we edi no. Ono nene or that suban we edi no. Na onim samra ye adwuma e wo Ghana. E na onim Semra ye adwuma wo wiase ye ka se world wiase ade ya koso wo Ghana nyina ni din ewom sese no te se de okoya tachi man hene ka kire no no ni din na ewom a bibia di adanse se wonum mom etimi akọ beli ebinom wako police station omo akomo ko say electoral commission aso ye wetimi akọ police station se ye nyi omo no akọ beli omo no onka hu se e recorded that forever na ya ade a bibi si wo man num Mahama obejina International Court of Justice. Ya che ne Ghana ne yesa de ne ko International Court of Justice. Amana ko yinsema no. Ade na opese obo oman. Oman ya asumdwe man. Oman ya Mahama obetena so adwuma ben pa na ye ne Ghana. Politics no waya bedu sese. In the politics na waya bedu sese. Ghana na abo from that time abedu sese. Ende na ase awode mo oman no eno no. Na ubenya NDC fo bia ene mmeranse ene maayo bi omo nwene omabrabo mo amudi sam se hunu wa abontin mo ma mo wofa ase mu nuanom omko free senior high school mo amudi tem kurasesem we wa abontin mo nana anom ne mo ma omko school free mu ntia school fees mo so nsuo kwa mo num nsuo kwa mo ntia water bill light bill mo ntia light bill bibia mo ye bia mo nya ne free mo manya audacity ene number bontin say amount for properties create e Ghana block traffic shit ties wo form say Ghana ajapade ma wusie kwa amount for mabinum nyayare na wa busha say na panyini kire ne maade awomoye ene me course obi expectation ka from long time esase no Mahama ko baba bontia be ka kire ne crofo so mun remain calm na appropriate steps be on beteki no ombeteki mosho owrese eduketia enti ase eduketia why no betima nyira nanim ne na kontokwa ana why no betima nyira nanim en na ededi enso pushim sa momonko na mokoye ne matantan na on de odaka akasiem oria wa full play odwane ba me ka kire mu empanifo no some wo diplomatic passport o some wo visas 100 wo mu ba bia mo se Ghana ba se mu dwane akode ba sa piama begu Ghana ya hwemo e ma mo nya ne matantan we wo man omaya ya asundwe man na na ado atima siesie omaya ka Ghana abom wode titimu na ebe oman na ka Mahama babetena akonwa so a we ye clear manifestation ka de ben na obeye Ghana man de ben na obeye oman no obabetena akonwa so a ka de ben na obeye ena se walusu miserably Ghana fo nyina hu se walusu ye se hwe walusu o se menti ase for evidence so bra so memfa ma munko abontin ko edidi na amanfo mba awia ketekete na mutiko na mu jiminti na mu yedede na Mahama ne mma ne yede na omo hyedem na omo numti enti munsia nyansa kora kakra na Mahama ne yede ne mma esedu katia ne yede ne mma na omo ye omo ti dem na omo yeti enti munwini hu se unauthorized demonstrations na mo ye no mo se Mahama odimbi mo se esedu katia wabambi onimra onimza de mo ye na nyamra nti betima chim ena obedi muso a na bibi se wo kwama onimza betima chim enti o mambi ena o mu puchimo sabonko na mo kodem a o meba bebeli mo ba mo nkai mu se nya obi a na betima beli no ya offense bi o ha ubeli enyeye ubeli kura na ya mo akofie kura o sa court e se court hang muti 25th January bi mo kujina court enti mo nsam hunu ne mo nsam poto na mo ye emfa so be na wo so Sami Jamfi betina ansem trofo anim ye press conference o provide a pay sheet bia or more paper no the buy paper or the buy and the electoral commission e wono e bo abura enti mumu send this for say pay sheet ben na wo mo ho mo ntimi fama because no muni so ma ye de omo ahia wie enti na mo de mo kan kire omo say omo mran kran abontin Accra stadium no mo fa mo pay sheet nyina me go na Ghana for hwe omo ni pay sheet bia and this any evidence bia wo Ghana they don't have any evidence to substantiate the allegations. And someone discredited the image of the country and the reputation of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Na afi ma mo nipa o ye titire o ma mo ye titire asem e wo Ghana. Na de ma reko ne say NDC mpanifo no ntimo wo hen. Owura Bamba Ben, Yiti Mensa, eni mpanifo akese kwasi botwe nom, ntimo wo hen amahama egu mo party no. Ntimo wo hen amahama ese mo party no. Edi say na party no jeje ode ba wiase na tie kwasi ahoy ne kwa na ahoy no mo he amahama all same party no because they say one a presidential candidate enti on a party ni kucha ne say the ope na wo ye enam 2024 akonya wo penti no se ne ma se Ghana bi kura wu a won fa ho mo amokoye demonstration e wo electoral commission en ga so ja 42 na tuo bo mo na kamugu ya na mahama kro na be press conference say amount for a peaceful demonstration and a soldier for akototo e bra wonim say o man nye authorization o man follow emra e wo Ghana na wo fiti ya utimi fiti ufie no apia bonte me demonstration what be that but then ni kura anya saade no obi a wa boda mo nya saade no because wonim say emra ya adwuma but then ni kura ankotina everything preko pesa me kwa kwa ndidi e bra woni dem onye authorization before be demonstration no a police for Adley Foundation no say brabebo mama ne 5 days before na omon share roots amobefa say emblock bibia bia na occasion bi Ghana ebia na Ghana obibi at that time ebia na mpanifo ye bibi emblock bibia and a protection so omode be mamo ni nyina so ka ho ade bia wo mo be ya mamo no as at that time enunti and na almost more you should notify them. Now I'm making provision to protect you and the other demonstrators. Now if you most of my for down no normal band them say BBC, you be responsible. It just imagine and then we call Ashanti ready say Kumasi mu ko demonstration. Omo ye na bi no be hye ties. Now was omo ma NDC for mpanifo bi kasa kire omo before omo stop oye. E the police for anya omo hwe o. Omo NDC for na bi kasa kire omo. Because someone tie na omo chemo moko fesi mra on mo de tumi ahye mo nsate se de moko wewe mo nsana na mo de abegina ho te se de mo na tumi ye mo de ba mo nche obia na former president of the Republic of Ghana mai wabedi o mai no so da onim se ebinom ye unauthorized demonstration it is a country omo your supporters you are not telling them to stop na o do mai supporters ne kura jiminti mu hu se on kura won no mo Momo ye demonstration on some kutatu mi krata mo de ye. Enso pushi mu na mo je. Na ono no. Ati the fee. Na mami musamo. Demonstration never changes na deba. The electoral commission aka no waka. No amount of demonstration am be ye ne be create any change bia. Mo pa mo demonstration kosi soro e kosi heaven. Ense sem bia. Because electoral commission enna Ghana mai aji omo se omo tumi se omo timi kire se we na adi nkunim we na adi nkugu e the Ghana's electoral commission omo kwani authorized body a omo timi announce se we ya win we ya lose we ya win we ya lose and the electoral commission enna tumi ni kuto mo Ghana constitution na Ghana de ye adwuma and the rule of law no constitution ye adwuma. The electoral commission and a within acre almost based on the pin sheets or my quality. Germans are mobile dinatami. Mammy, more him collecting more resource one cry. No, Yinaho. Moko Kumasi no Yinahobi. Moko to about a Malay when Yinahobi. Moko to about a Chima when Yinahobi. Moko to about Sepa when Yinahobi. Or one cry. More Kasamo party representatives. Various political police stations in Yana. And no moko hwe abatoɔ no so and no mugye tum sɛ abatoɔ no yɛ French and no more endorse be French. NDC told Ghanaians say, the lawyers, about 275 lawyers, police station be a Momako Shabaso. And lawyers in the Koyan. Almost be a French lawyers who Nakoyan almost sign. James attended them and I find who not in the office. The Amade Bano, no outside their common National Coalition Center for one, party for one, a honors and NDC new Jojo Metununu, not so. Among for party representatives and send your pin sheets, any coalition result sheets, documents also mushim. Normally compare the electoral commission the moment. And this is for no sending me man. Yes, no complaint. Because I want tears up to now. More funny my crown command menu. And today men and I'm more compiling. I'm with the lesson. There's a good my bonnet planning in advance. Some of us I say, never my say. I said you get here where a party secretary were disappointing Mahama. Because as a secretary of the political party, when you organize and you more maka, want to make provisions say, mobile yes a strategy beer, mo pensions in Yina, mobile media call, mo coalition, more national coalition center. No more compare pensions in Yina. Monty me anya. Mama say resources monty me anya. Afi, why am I blame a man? Boko Ashanti Regina, Betty Moose, or a former attorney general, now come more polling station, a coalition center, no Kahumbi. Lawyers, I can say, or resource number almost sign, say, be a camera. So, who are you? Who, Mahama, why is on an entry? Who a problem? There are no police station for no, and no coalition centers, no agents, money on Mokoka, and then people in electoral commission. Who call electoral commission website? Results in our electoral commission website. It's what would you bet me a website this year? Electoral commission, pin sheets in our. After NDC shall say, Edin simply propagating falsehood, be said. Electoral commission per se, or more paper resource in every machine, and into almost among the activating machines, no, but say, almost say destroy resource. Electoral commission about Monte said, you're more canny contumpo. Almost resource, no, or more keep putting in electronically, now if it's almost sign, I keep putting physically. Almost say, BBR, now machines, you know, and now there's some permanency, so because you're too a baby. Into more deactivate. It may be some for more problem this time. Some machines in Yamani so and I deactivate because money in the Namo Pesamoye. Electoral Commission say, Omon Tenasi Mammy, serious person be, and far BB conscious machines, and quarter BBR into your man deactivating machines in Ina. Most of you smarter, Electoral Commission, so you're smarter channel. It's another for them. They are Acosono, and no more. They are Acoso, and no. Na adofo share the akoso no Ghana man obi amfatu no hofo buntie NDC fo muntie omo kura muntie omo na wo mo ne ma omo ye no eyade a emfata muntie omo kura ade omo ye no emfata Omon pesa Ghana koye. Omon pesa o mine tumpon. Etim kontompo ena wo moye.
Hello, Daddy Fred. Good evening. When you send me other room, I'll work all day. And when I meet news, Ghana, you say 7 o'clock news, and I said, me book rest here for no. Sir, a apostle, a crystal country, sir. Also for your dad on a Kwachankra. I bet my message be said Mahama a year friend saying and not a kufuado. On friend Mahama no nye debe. On any casa. Na say a truaba. Na obi a wini abano. Na abia no wadi nkugua. Ose wunyi ntuma fine. Uti abedia tumuno. A kufuado and fan. Washe ni nyuma paso woye. Na aben na wo Christian council papa no. Kwachankra no. Wo ba beka say. Was say a kufuado no ye de friend Mahama. Na that the friend that say me what be that. So be a what to aba. No ye friend is saying. We waiting kuku. No what me apa bonti abegina mo say wo de wo nye de wo nyi ntom. Emrepo ade no so ye de clear no. Mo Christian council for no ntimi am friend Mahama ne na nkasa na kufuado na mo ba be friend say ono no nye de be. On friend Mahama na nye de. And then answer ye 94 days me friend wa na pese me ba program so ba say. And say na line na ye busy and me sure
Adofodum Jumade mo share live YouTube the announcer newspaper so Facebook the announcer newspaper so ensema ekoso my Ghana mu na yede bremo no baby obia wo bia no obetimi a kire wadwene nsem no mo ntwen me ne menua ba bi kasa menua ba te say
me hoyo Daddy Fred now so
boko yes I can wo duo no na so was bi ka kire ye asem be na wo ka kire
but I say
yes I can wo duo no na so was bi a opesa wo kire wadwene pa yi amanfo nyina etie wo de ba asem na opesa wo ka kire
yo enyumre de me chia wasi fo nyina o mo tie wo nyina me chia wo mo nyina
na obebo opa bebo din na ba bi akasa free waka kire
your friend Letitia me kasa me free Amsterdam
Holland okay
me kasa Amsterdam Holland enyumre de enye bone but enye bone a e de say eniema ekoso e wo Ghana no chese wo dwen ho a wo ntia se sesi a me wo he ho asam na me gusu a me ye de me kan na ena no audio no a be send audio ni de bre wo a na yes obetimi aka mi send
some crunchy ankra so for no
crunchy ankra na wo mo no a ya to aba na ekufu ado aba e to yi e free and fair obia ni tumi hu abani wiase akwada nipa nyinara ebehwe abani hu se abano kro no bia nim na ya to abawie na wo be gina honom aka asem se ekufu ado emfre mahama eno ne ade a na kire madwen so kakra na obia onu tumi e wona ensem a ono ya to aba a ono awi ni no ono mo no nya de emfre mahama no nya de ompa na chewo ehone asam kakra Daddy Fred me na menya de yin me nti ase ni mo no ni e mas aha
and so far no nsam ni nyina ekoso Ghana no sai na usi hu no
se no ensam a ekoso Ghana sai enra me brother bi ofi ha me ne nete ha no sei na oye adwuma hotel na lockdown ne yare ni nti no am say adwuma cham kofom ti be say 2 months ni kura ofi enti enra no kwa adwuma mu okoye ne supervisor no onye Ghana ni o onye Ghana ni oye Cameroon ni oso kodro adwuma mpe asama o ka kire ne se dia Francis mu kro mu Ghana adane eye friend say Cote d'Ivoire se dia mu kro mu Ghana de ho nye kra enti no okasa no se eye ne nwa no se yes election no mu nyina ehwe bi eye peaceful election but onim de enti opposition for ne yes na se dia Ghana de ho nye kra enti no me de masamo America na nyumre ni se empanifu a wo Ghana na MPP for MP no so o ma anya de o mo antimi amoa because yi hotna ho e de enti na parliament mu won konya 170 ne koko wi ase mutimi luso nkonya be se 20 or 30 Daddy Fred adenti enti ya besre na ne kufu ade penasem yie papa enye niema nyina na wo se otimi jai emanika because obi ya ade na se nipa na oya ade no wantimi antake action mani pa kono man silence ni dia ni ye gusu aye huni eno a ni ye bekoso aye de ehunu ni ye gusu aye huni eno a ni ye bekoso aye de ehunu because obi na be ya ade a na obi afa telephone wa kofre na me wo fani na me bani na mo jagai no twani pan ya okoya NDC ye friend say journalist yo kodidi atemu o mo se mo Berlin for hot makwa ko Berlin pa no ene na de be se obi osakola ketwa no si telephone so mo dipani atem hwe audio ene na mabonten me hwe ene na ye ma ho mete kora hwe audio akola ketwa wo se wo ye free HS ni akola unya akola wo ye pani kotra si di wo man pani atem adan ma adan na wo ye threat to the country sir ya to abawi aban wo awi ni kokot wa wo se ameme kokot if me friend pani for say ma se kuma se kroma ye demonstration wo hono oye esana na o se tutu opemso o timi ye de enka trom se masase ditami yansa de no na oni pa ko pese o ye demonstration dia ese uji emra wo ko police phone na ko di emra o nsi tai ena wo beti ya se kantamanto etina ya shima na tedwa sisi ya so makwa ko sheka ne chima kete dia be na ekoso o mai ye maame no mo ho ye nua no mo ho enti ye de ye besre ye mpani fo sa de e koso no wo mo fo mo na anya de ensi fo no mfa mre mu kwan mu edru ba bi ni sa soldier fo no esu mu kum because it's me sorry some electoral commission police for amane unyina bibia so na sorry kaka just like that hey yanko na mo de ma sorry na mo send crofone nioma na mo de fear and panic de ato man so ama huhu a mo ti be de hwe obi a ono ye sorry oni egu se Ghana de se se de situation ye daddy Fred that day na was a banner
arreho pa arreho
yami ejeli mu kwase ni mahama eti woni pa ba akofo nti Ghana mo tena ase ahwe no me maame yare na me maame yare so me to so ye e de ka ba hye me maame e ma ka afa no me maame o 96 years me for so ye se o me yo my papa me wa konto me nto aba me feel for to aba right more than 50. It's a feel for 50 to aba na se me ba akofo na me wa kwanto mu no se man to aba ni bia ye the same time me maame yare so me for so ya se mo nya kakaka me sorry hamache me frey akwasi ni odi ma me friend kwasi bomode aye ntam siesie maame ho kama boneduku no nko na ba na sa ni ama we nyina ye tu ye na jo mahama ba akopɛ mutumi nka bibi tra papa na de friend Ghana emra bi ye wasa mahama ne betumi a kyerɛ na
emra ho pa emra ho sa ono sa demonstration ono onkoyi na nim nkodi akire o no wa pushi omo ahu onkoyi na nim nkodi akire
konko ya de no a enani na so nya ne ntie a me amete ne kasa se wakọ police station bi kwa ko Benin kola no efrisi ya wo me ya mi ho since 1992 ya to aba since John Mahama be di akonwa free so say Ghana election ye ba bi kun ene wi ni kura we wi ni aba ni kura na de only contest say was me ba bi kun e de na ekoso o mai mo yi e de na ekoso enti Ghana fo nyina ye ntimi sorry Emma yes me nye bibi fa daddy Fred ye bibi fa wenye yi ana Emma sa Joma me ya opesa wodi Ghana because kakra o obi ya no aye enya hwe Mahama woti me nya hwe but ogu o man nyim ase e bia na se me ka no ho wo free Ghana o ka kire obi se se ni mu krom ho no de adane Africa Coast demonstration wo baby enti sama Mahama ne be twi ne be ya ye ntwi ne nkoto ana mra bi ne wo betimi atwe ne de nkoto wo si ade no wo yintum a emra kwa wo ha wo be fa so onipa no se emra no onfa so ofosu ampofo last year ene yo ha no ofosu ampofo ekokọ ye video ni ade a eliki abonten so mbe se market on make kidnap nkwada o be say sani o mani nyina na ne so eda so egu kwa imu eze senti ni ye betimi atra wa kosi 7 December die ne mpanifo ya fa wo daddy friend ene etiefo amutie ade ne mpanifo ya fa de Mahama ye wo se Mahama ne eche ne be ya ye nche ne nkoto no ya na ye ntimi nche no
yada wase minim se mpanifo tie nti na mo bi ombetu asema na abaka twa to amaye
ni ameka twa to aso so MPP for no so ye besra wom ye besra me watumi wakame no omunya ni nyina no omunka niema mom ni babia me states free buy bia obi odi mfonso bia no ade ne anya to awie mfonso bia buy no omunhwe no omufa niema nya de ban engugu akwan mu na 2024 no wometimi asai aba be fura ba nyu ano na fe wometimi age more seat e wo parliament yes rewo mo a nkotoge gu from no omunhwe so basom de anya de emra ana sa omo titi krom na sa omo ko na sa boys no man kwan koji permission free police for omo no mutu nkom me police ni akame kum to me so jeni am se kam tutu de akame kum ni pa because omo ye fine
ya bana wase home yada wase adofo obey okasa free Holland na ode asamutu edwa no yenya me phone lines no ntimu amon friend me pamacho munyai frɛ ejana sese ye no hwɛ ejana sese ye no obi party bi member bi ono si jani bi ahye no nti afa wo firi mu fia wo baye sa nkura sesem na mo koso na monye na police fo be so memu me ko UK na me ne Babs akasa Babs UK to say
Daddy, good evening Boko Adriana
yo about so far sama did that dray saying na we see one
Daddy family say dia no ya hutu do ko do Ghana o ya hutu pa de muntu menhwe Muntum there, Malcolm Zoro Yamne, or there, yes, she who died the man, and maybe it can affect our health. Mama, why the man, dear, our innocent face, devil heart. This is who Mahama is. Innocent face, devil heart. Because Zoro Gordon is unprecedented. It is that. Obia Genoa on Tarsi. Namisha simple fide bia wasi nipa 49 na way. Enti che de NDC phone wa bona ma de e wa agino boninti e wa wonto mpo won fia bota de yan charge ni yi. Me ya sure de nipa ne ye 490. Na onam the wa pentam na wa bebo bua atseninti was 49. Wa be nipa onye mu nipa mpo nya over 100. And we just say you 49 when you're polling station. Because in the polling station, what's whereby the people are more than 500 or closer, no one more polling station. And so it's really easy. What kind of polling station when you power 49? And you put your question now, all the way be so warm. Now, who's to the gear, I have been one barrier, was you the Ebenezer or Bonebra. Sammy Jenshi or man and a papa. Because me tell on you can you Japan ya some ne papa fra ken don't want a ban. And so I would papa in food there me bay a to see na mazaman equal SDA 7th-day Adventist. What can you miss some? And bring one body to order. There's Sammy as a ye or when you name mercy. Oh, because I me a bibia, me neck a crab on pop, they have every right to call me. Oh, put me in the right order. Woba simplify woba. Woba as well can we know yakoshi. Now she is one nation because oya woba. And I suppose lawyer will pay a busianumu. Since I only have to quote you, also lawyer for watcher. It is already piano as a father. Oya fair. Yeah, Richard. Muwaza Mahama, also show a Ghana, but that jammy baby home, papa, and all the ministry mabo. And Nana Ekufuado, me president, Mr. President, Mudawu pa, manka kakraba, mpocho. One fa, I am sisi imbu or man, one fell shenye padu, mpocho. But then, to the beer, you have to use tough love. Oh, say, obiso a roba, oh, ye draw fata. Sazi always better. Na mambrani ni poku ninzi na nado mubuncha mopawo chop. I the madam bon go to Ghana on chanda. I was from schoolboy ya also on exams nana abashi so wa roba. What the chen? You were juvenile and you were what to more lock in the ho. Oh, sister la sheza wa friend that a journalist so-called journalist. The minute you can revoke the license and the way you exist journalism anymore. Because a journalist didn't behave as such. Obviously, so I hope one to require a man kakra. One court, one yashi, wajan. And what the social media view or a starter not even in an apologetic manner. Nesor Casson, I there, and also he had a point. If you know so, woman, I democracy, Jansen, Nigel. The man, the boy, he should be locked at least 2 weeks, 4 weeks. Our community is action. So that time, I'm a care, Pope John Paul, or be shooting him. Pope John Paul, or a sling for Kumu prison. No catching or the action. Never one more the day when you leave to prison. Oh, it's like Jesus say, give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and unto God what belongs to God. Baby, I'm brown, na me power chop. Man, bringing you born in your onesie. Now, they say, Sash, no comment to me there, or this is why I rise so savvy, or she said another. For how long now them work in my palm will going to choose for? I wonder what for one say. I want to put on Nana. Try to fetch someone for welcome him, but man, brand on your onesie. It's time, and it's got to stop. Oh, it's got to stop. Oh, yeah. Then you not there. Well recognized. Oh, there's some message that who about where DB. That's some social media. It's one fancy. Work a before this one robber. It's the one my home will say, Wabakadan. Oh, it's not the miss wrong. My security, when you were one lock on all these people should be imprisoned. And when I need to stop, boy, you was here 17 years. You were juvenile court to her, you were one fan court to her. And why you put one through the map? It's a way there. Okay, the council not carrying there. Mahama on board arrest. Mahama on board Ghana bra. Because Mahama can sign a peace pact with Nanado. When breach her, what should be done to him? He should be arrested. Oh, because it was in Uganda, was in Yemezagon. And someone for some of came none way implementing. And so for some of us came, when you couldn't point ship, what would you want? And pen, you know, in my family, or the watch one. Oh, people were there, was so NDC for. But we are all Ghanaians. And we are Ghana for. Oh, what a woman brought on you one easy because NDC for when you need them. Oh, NDC for what was revolutionary background. It's so the neighbor, the other was the soldier tactics, the what the disciplining. Oh, so you know what I want. It's becoming too much. Yeah, to be for how long the Ghana will go through this? I'm at also markets. I'm at the fool and go from why do us go? Now, what can son work here? What can son work here? Shall that be out to election time? The NDC chairman, your police station then, or Biam and the rifle, make up a rifle for the supply. Instead of this, is at least another issue. That's warrant was at a set people who rather than invited the guest. And you said that the master news for how long? Oh, yes, I go a Ghana. Yes, my minister, oh, yeah, the audio. In your audio, and I have one other important, please. Now, crap, he popular platform, no do. Next is I bring popular back door. Only from one more, only one on cancer one. Now, why the one platform there was done? I found to do. Now, once you saw see popular NDC, Papa Penny, it means that many pan only popular. Or you need because you pay because you need because they are familiar with the voice. And so you popular so know who on your own my number. Now you see there's who the popular the different numbers now the from because it's the same voice coming. And to say, you know what platform of that, you can track that person down with the mini pay no from. And so my mineral so she might be questioned. Oh, into me friend come a bim down if you don't know friend uncle no way you warrior man. Like half the warrior man so. Oh, because and this is a warrior that the Hawaii. Number there, easy on your police stations. And this for what the lawyers could go police station yala. And people for one for lawyer the one to call one party representatives. Now more lawyers now so what Jehovah what coming. 1 year one more reps was signing pink sheets. And so, you to know what outside there, Aban wave him. Aban, you possibly be a or free and fair, or you're peaceful. The most easiest election ever to be held in Ghana or any African country. And so, now there, evidence of which I don't want it trouble or man. Because much on you there, you take Ghana on blood level.
That's Kakramami. I'm say Tracy, right?
Oh, I'm
okay, okay, because so Tracy, because why you?
I
say, yeah.
Yo, okay, I must say, pink sheety, Mama the lawyer so crawl, and people are for lawyer be alarm. I would say, Mama lawyers was job working. No party reps no so what you know was signing. And so no was over here now up all how I do now. What is our Mobaka there? And then MPP area. Okay, so MPP area ma and the AEC or the video on one website or be able to make a download. And so why the Monka download? That won't compare to them almost one. Number Franco courts. Oh, I don't know, they have no evidence. And to trust some warrior, they are just using the bullying tactics. And when Mahama said, he is going through male menopause. Now, one combined bipolar and depression together. Oh, Mahama is nothing but a thug and a lunatic. That's what I see him. Oh, he's just behaving like a thug and a lunatic. Because the Orient, the one trust as in Erus, only 2012, difference of less than 300,000. Nana for the Pinodo. Oh, Mahama, 50.something%. Nana, 40-something point something. Oh, Mahama, that 2012, when this is 51. And so, yes, God was more. Nanadu or G2 for the sake of Neman. And so, why don't we 51 point something and into me G2 for the sake of Ghana? Because a man in the Wakumahu. In another folly. And because we say, and so also be in panic program Doria. Mahama no hold position, John Rollins timer. Or this come around to Sakan. Ain't so no, Atamesika for Nana. JJ Cadden, I know for the Mubon.
Any self proof for into honor Yan to honor the honor Nassam.
But I also been Panakan war,
because I know the minister.
Social media.
Okay.
On your daughter, Maswa.
All right.
Social media, or the Vinci, or the Yaya, May Axland, on
Right, your babs.
to some. Oh, I say, only Mahamezi. And so the time, I can't say for 9 running data. Royal Secretary, do not take that boy. Now, I can't also go, but I'm a president, into dictating trap. I am a Yeru. Oh, so say, Jana Sama, it's a Munala, or Limba. Because Mahama will be heavy there, Ghana man, or anything. Zonoke, nor the way. Number Mahama onto politics, I say. One break, no your positions. Oh, I'll folly. And so pay advice now. I'll share now, as a panda. Now, some cosa, also been passed on cash in there. Mahama, what position, I say, if you nest the word is cut. Now, one end is food when this word is scanning now, when you do no more. And to the master being at all about all the basis to come Yafu. I would have been blamed NPP now to 2016. One our friend that a double salary. Chair one of ministers at a chairman. You Sika or your green Sika. No one found. Maybe I'm beginning to say that. And so when I'm smashing with churches, it's a way disease. Oh, the many the kind of food. The Damazi look at it. Let the citizens know what is going on. Press conference, that means they will see. But NPP, I never can see no more yet. There's something like press conference about my Ghana for oh, because we see the gentility. Oh, I actually, there because when you Russians, now when you already deal, when you Robs, now when you already deal, I want to be in other a mouse and walk. Oh, necessarily there, NPP for now should be more. Second when you're in the although can support NDC for, then you call them skirt and blouse in the bed. And say, what I see, Sammy to me, here MC, that's a woman will see it, will Lucia, other than that, you see one. Because mommy in India, or friend and holidays. The many people no Cape Coast, no the baby record. It's also MC, no one than Tonya Cashier. The MC walked away from that person. People couldn't the name anymore. Also, because my grandmother can send it. Oh, we're meeting. Also, cannot have a minute of your time or walk away. It's the minute as MP Lusa. Now, what is your relationship with you and your constituent members? It's the minute you need to be position. Oh, because there's no question and actually too much. MPP for arrogance near too much. It is for 4 not for a while. And you're in the Ghana food in work, Sika says, but in your beyond a while fraud, all about the Sika or and yet beyond nobody discover. It's a lot of lessons to be learned. It's a national market MP for Mina, independent candidate for Mina.
When 2 years, now you are now the sons that the villagers rejected. Now, you are for NPP, Nyamishro. So that gives NPP 138 as to 137 of NDC. I was say, I don't quote what Ghana or Kavina Wakenua. NDC for people was said Ghana, but Ghana, you're ungovernable. Now, still, Nanadu or Barry Store. The one saying you are obesity, obesity no way, siniye. Unlike Uwa said, now for how long the Mubotu wants show the whole Ghana? For how long? And we trade the banana, Ibi Kawano. So, obesity, Kumasi Day, what's why a trouble Kakroho, or the Aka for tie or less one. Time as a show Nala. And we say, listen to be led. And this is no Joe or attend to you. On a Washishwa. Ya Kaka, Mahama Nambanka. As you don't tell him Bankamu. I will not be here the NDC paying food paying no woman or behavior or a double fraba. To them paying for the one say to one day, 1 year. Meanwhile, it won't back with you. One Bankamu. Oh, one crime one. No one will working in the view. No one can scan what I shall walk off. One more be. Oh, but that means you will not have a comment there. All that the first shade, but Pepper be ye. May you talk with the that's no ask there. That the Fred no one or a professional teacher. All like no Muhammad now, only professional. That the Fred no one or a professional teacher. No, Santos law journalism from Ghana, son or by America. America, one, oh, yeah, Jumo. I never couldn't get a profession. That the Fred get a profession. Yeah, Juma Pepper be, yeah, coach your Pepper be. And only as a Ghana. The area is a Ghana man. And so about the comment that the French say, Jumayan, Kokata Mahama de, or declare profession may say. Ghanaians are ready. Muhammad Juman, Mahama, Mahama Lagono, Abbas no Corridi. Yapana Yahu. Mahama may declare no profession. And said you can say declare no profession. And one now one black, one may declare one profession may Yahu. Today, you know why you're Jimmy Bia. Yes, why you're Jimmy, because what's empty barrels makes the most noise. Oh, now what's the devil finds work for the idle hands. So you're Jimmy Bia, and you're one of your neighbor when you're Jimmy Bia, Simon, somewhere you're dead and modo. Now, then, the more for how long can you people do that? Oh, the more you're not going to the water charmo. Now, demonstration, no problem.
Bob say, demonstration be big bow, Moye. Entimi kwesi aga because electoral commission and account resources monti asia munko court amusi ye court na de be na mbe muntimi nyeku
daddy entire mo kwa mempa eyewa wako there another it was the thing to say to me yo because if the thing to say to for how long me must me in pokuni to say to the very day na beje ni pokuna akonko. Oh, and for how long are we going to march through the whole Ghana?
If they say no Mahama,
no more targeting, that when your papa na Muboku. Now, Yamisu, the Quanda Kudia, into Muki for never. And I walk Bernardo, Yamika, Owa, Baron and I Samantiwa, NPP, they've got the men and women. And this woman way here. Ma enyada mancha Muhammad Oriye enta abamba be num Joshua Lord be kwesipo chomunya why quiet because they are all scared of Mahama. I was sister Mahama abaya magajia ono no why the bonafide property of NDC ono no ya medzi enwa Mahama kwanye jeje June 4th na kom wo kwa the cells na boatu jam wo be break jail wo yi one. Oh, some Mahama were any background, military background in Chada the best state coup d'etat. Chabana baye. Because I Libya or the Nakuma do no baye. None the security one I know I can tip. No security who I can tip. None necessarily I will be alado. You will be alado Mahama for how long? Not Lodina, Equa, Nandanian Alofole, was one and Sude. Whatever, Aji, Enya done. It demi free. It took me question who get into America. It's a plane echo. I did Chaba. Junibiana, you would sit there. I your first lady that. Into other Mubomo man, okay, him. Now, that one won't wait. I will do the way won't wait. And then your first lady in the crowd, a catch condom, Nasa Bontia. What should they do with it? Mrs. Ekufadu, Samira, warrior. And you're going to walk away and be self or was a man, what they see. If you are going to learn something from them, she be the first, that's a different to one back, that's a different to Mahamafu. Now, to me, it's not a manner. That's like the nation. No man was Burkina Faso, still about Sato or Ghana. And see, only man who die. Ghana and Burkina, on what? On Park no, on Quap. And second Katia, Ghana and Ivory Coast, on what? Park one Quap. Woman who was sent Ivory Coast, one brother, all the day, one, conjoin no brother. Neja, Yemi and Gia, what I would do, yes, say, don't Katia. It's never takes Yemi and where we will buy Blue Toho. I wouldn't have a bronya if Ghana. I won't pop if Ghana. I said, I won't pop if you're Ghana in it. I was here too.
All right. Obedient
nationality. The youth, Nana, all fight more, and I fight. See you go for what I say, Ghana, Yama. And we say, Daisy, nothing for Kunaka. Though 1 woman, over a year, in human plant, one. It's youth. From time to come, if you want more brother, that time the Mahame knew her. Ain't that a Mahame knew who? The man the president, another statesman, and an ex-president, ultimate step foot to a court, okay, then and go for a break law. Who did that? Just a Mahama. It's a Mahama, your name will go down in the history book of Ghana. Now, when a man baby read, the way who Sabio, a sense Ian were man. It's the Mahama imagine you run away from it. Or the hawk, but the Siaminadum technology or hawk. But I mean, they're more internet to that, because that about me great grandfather, or yeah, the papa, and I'm proud of him. Oh, now, Mahama, what are your grandchildren and great grandchildren going to read or listen to about you? Nothing better. I go but break war hearts. No one can why the grandpa and not great grandpa or them. That time you know be one woman in first judgment. It's Mahama Junebia, says in a Christian ya. Now why who paying there? Oh no for sample for you now. When now so free, no what church members worship. Then ya me some no what can what
Mahama na sorry na kura say go mutu ni say. Me wan wa so that's what say. That's a go mutu ni say.
That nonsense was in a Catholic. Catholic one will best communicate straight away. Catholic on the nonsense won't tolerate into Bobu as son Wushi. Well, I can't so what's up on a now, Assemblies of God, the Pentecostal in other pianist at some. Now, you're the man to for some of the today, means no them still or your elder. Now, so said you at the Tessia, baby no cray, okay, you know, you sunny while brown warrior. In China, no, okay, Tanyamina Chazzy, when they yamin. They will have the nerve, the impudence, and the audacity while suspended. While can I be German? Now, the only creeper with you from up, Yamina, some name bread, you know, what me that thou shalt not commit murder. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. Pentecost for one worship. Assemblies of God were a clap. Pentecost will be on the Sapphire Concron, Meradia, Yamihunya in Alamaba.
Babs, you better was, I said, man, I'm a catcher to a mile.
Yes, I'm a catcher trying there. And Pabon or they see that the young Yadi take Nanad nature. Nam the baby was a papa and I'm spiritually. Why are you they will come physically? It's Yankwabian Bumpy that the Lord will keep building the pillar of cloud around him by day and pillar of fire around him by night, and no weapon fashioned against him will prosper. Because the Amina says you are not fighting flesh and blood, but principalities, powers of darkness, and wicked spirits. The sister you there about some honoring NDC. abonsama na NDC enti nyame na wankodo ansana abofin brawo empanyifo ni nyina titina na da to one ma appoint one appointees ni nyina na Ghana mani nyina la nyame onyame na la obosu na asase od Ghana to one od na akoma ho de Israel da na akoma won da me nyame akodo Ghana do na obi ala so na me da na yudo ni gwazi asay ni capital asay nyame man arete no ke de enyi dadu wo ho na banam na na adodo mbanyame wa hye no ho anyinyam me bia na nzi abobo na yi oyesiazu na enwo na wokotu skirt and blouse what to manana no what to my NDC as parliamentarians next time what was saying answer na mami just verse sala ambani po abani ku don ko to fofra enta mahama onya 1%. It's more than the dollar you know you two Mahama, provide your evidence and army is seeing there. The security must arrest Mahama or invite him for questioning because of signing bond or signing peace agreement. No way breach. It's Mahama must be arrested for questioning. May God continue to bless our homeland, Ghana.
All right, Babs said I was Babs na moten in Kano. Ma who se bi no mo chro oh daddy friend mo bi so nkasa Babs eka program no ho amene na ye program nti me kasa ono so kasa bi pepepe nti de me ka no so ebeka ono so de nti ono ewo priority etimi kasa more because oye panel member nti o se ko TV no so mi gina fa na o gina fa ba bibi nti na mo te se okasa wo phone nti ono ye panel member nti me chiro mu to ono ne role ne different from obi calling in no no so achre na adwene ma wo so obi achro se Mahama waja asori na wo nkwa asori wo hobie mu na de ka ho na no ye hu se okwa asori enti se mo no kore na mo nka mo choice ba ye de hu ye se okotena asori dem one na yere Lordina ne mma ne na busuafo wo mo koi ekotena asori dem enti se wo ho na se wo be change wa no wo sa se mo ye hu a ye wa wo choice na ye de enim enie picture ye wo a ye nim se okotena asori dem no Lordina na one no ete ho no baako eno no asori dem ho Mahama ekoye ni picture eni okotena asori dem me ba cho me phone lines no njide offer me no onyai okotena asori dem no eni ya mo ya kan sema mo nka no kore kakra nti okotena asori dem no eni nti enim se okwa asori owie ya okoso microphone mu kasa wa asori dem no eni nti untimi me kan kire se Mahama ongwaja asori na de ye ho no Yes, you can't say without incuta facts. Simply I can be proof with facts. All right. I don't know to make share live for YouTube, the announcer newspaper. So Facebook, the announcer newspaper. So I sorry now we'll call you. Say ya sorry, say ya sorry. Then you'll call you, and I saw your course say no. I also moved to the same. So I say when I'm say assemblies of God. They are sorry I will into the same because they see and a Christian need. Because we call everybody was sorry them one day into the same. Na Mahama niema o de na di kire Ghana man niema o de na di be kire Ghana man ano de onkoso na wontena asori dem ho na sa na ye no adafo no medam ase ansa na mekokora no dubia ase du katia wa disappointing Mahama we twa kontompo a kire no niema ewo ma na e wo se nka omutimi organize omo ho hwe abatro no so police station o mantimi anye e wo se omutimi ebomode equality omo pensions no o mantimi anye Niama bia na wo so omo ye nyina no mantima anye na omo nka no kore tese Mahama sika was spending a shit sika na hye kwa ento mu nya asem bia nka na o na mawiem na de se be ya omo de be koba so ba Ghana fo ani da pensions no okọ electoral commission omo website e wo ho ade e wo ho nyina se electoral commission omo publish pensions ni nyina wo ho de omo declare results no wa won tie ase no ko electoral commission website na wa ko hwe sheet no NDC officials na agents no omo sensan ni nyina kama dia dance se bibia e Frenchim Mahama elections ya tuwie America ambassador wo Ghana or the two just election here free fair peaceful transparent electoral commission Ghana social battle no orderly peaceful and free and fair transparent ECOWAS observers by the Odano chairperson, Salif Johnson, Liberian president, or also former president, or say let's the BNM, and Penifua Cassia Besha Banos on the Codio for woman in the Tumsa Abaton BBI French observers Cassia by the two just say Abaton BBI French. Now, I'm sure I don't know, and some truck fire war more Ghana. They be a cost Ghana, or more than 70 bar Montema Ghana for Huno, or more polling stations in India, echo share about to so a report to Fliho, or more report to ye based on or more kind we are, the Omoba kind polling station, Hono, no more report to Amomo agent, or more report to my political party, be or more report to at the court or more stations. Almost stations winning an answer, more report to any archers and another are winning. Electoral Commission had declared another, say or no, near president elect. It's Ghana mine. Mummy nyina mo na ado abaso agya hyehyɛ ne niema ekoso no menye ne se police for ana security omada omu da wo a muguso ye sa abone no ye ka kire mo ye den ye bechim enti wo a wo evidence wo bibia ho bia no ko police station ana ba bia be ko bia ko bo mama ne se wo ho so na wo bia ka bibia kire no bia send bibia brew na pese o me hu a send bre ye wo de bre misisi a de be ma security for wo Ghana na omo so atu ho ana mo medin e de daddy friend ha na me de be se me da mo nyina se mo jene me Ewrade enka obia ho se onya adaaje so etimi ejene ye kama ewo program is jumade mo share live
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8 mu ye too much na me so me ye amo fire